This is the water reservoir that Mr. Nguyen Hai Zhang's family, a farmer in Ili Commune, Songhin district, has been using to irrigate their sugarcane fields. Thanks to this reservoir, the family has been able to actively access water sources, leading to the healthy growth of sugarcane and high income. 3 years ago, Mr. Zhang explored the model of black snail farming and bravely experimented with it. The black snails have thrived, with an average daily yield of 1 kilogram of snail eggs, currently sold at 500,000 VND per kilogram, and the average selling price of snails is 100,000 VND per kilogram. In addition to income from sugarcane, Mr. Zhang earns an additional nearly 10 million VND per month on average. At first, I only bought black snails for experimental farming, but as time went on, I found it increasingly effective, so I expanded my business. I earn between 10 to 12 million VND per month. Leveraging the local advantages and still achieving high income while being tied to the fields is the approach that many farmers in Ili are implementing. Many plots of land that used to only grow cassava and arrowroot have now been converted to industrial crops and fruit trees. For many years, macadamia trees have been experimented with by many farmers. Last year, 2 hectares of macadamia trees bore fruit, and this year, despite unfavorable weather conditions, gardeners are expected to harvest 2 tons of macadamia. Currently, the price of macadamia is around 80,000 VND per kilogram, providing gardeners with a decent income. Macadamia trees are easy to grow, but I have to pay attention to care. Currently, the selling price of macadamia nuts is about 70 to 80,000 VND. The fertile land of Songhin district, with its rich soil, focusing solely on cassava, sugarcane, and arrowroot, has wasted the land resources of this area. Recognizing this, farmers have explored many new crop varieties suitable for the soil and economically efficient. Meanwhile, they utilize water sources and organic fertilizers to save costs. Along with the creativity of each farmer, the Commune People's Committee has repeatedly cooperated with the Farmers Association and various agencies to organize workshops on agriculture and crop care. Through this, changes in crop structure have increased income for the people. These models are very effective in our commune. The people are excited, and in the future, we will expand models that bring high economic benefits, such as macadamia cultivation, durian, and black snail farming. Diversifying crops and livestock, experimenting with and developing new crop varieties and livestock breeds that bring high economic efficiency is a concern for every farmer. With agility and access to valuable information, many farmers have found suitable directions. From there, exemplary models are expanded to help other farmers unleash their creativity and enrich their homeland.